this video we move to 3.18, so which is the last the video for this small group 4, just talking about the class and the interface, and we spent a few of the past videos talking about how to make that display through hide and show. Just looks like that is delete from the view or from the diagram, and from the remove and the restore is to delete from your model. So those are the things we have already learned, and this video is just we try to talk about this unlinked class. So in the past video we have some classes which until the end of the diagramming, there's isolated in somewhere, and there's no linkage to those class. And normally, if there's a class or our element that have no linkage to others, that may not relevant within your story you want to convey to the audience. So try to either hide or remove unlinked class will be our good habit to make your diagram clean. You may remember is the difference between hide and remove. Hide is undisplay from the view, so it's still there in your model. So after hide is your diagram is not rearranged, so they still keep that empty areas or empty positions for you. But the remove is delete from model, so your diagram will be re-layout. So if you don't want is remove some unlinked class, but that area of your diagram is still keep empty, you may consider use the remove. But hide and remove used in the different purpose, so you can try to consider that in the different situation. The syntax is similar, just hide with our unlink, remove is unlink, but now it's not like tag. Tag is used the dollar sign. Now it's unlinked with the add sign. So let's do the testing. So first let's create our 03081 with our starting model. So start UML and UML. So with that is we just create some class. So actually is these keywords is not case sensitive, but it's better is you keep the same behavior or same the style. So you can use capital C, small c, but better I always use the same case. And then we have C1 to C2. So maybe we just make that as a single. So we connect that, and then that is our first model. So by default, all classes are displayed, but now we have a C1 connect to C2, and C3, C4 are not connected. Let's connect C1 to C3. Just keep C4 is not connect. So let's use this as our base. Now I go to the second. So you can use hide. So after those models, let's go to our hide. So if I do the hide, just simply say add and unlinked. So this is the standard usage. Then you hide this C4. So if you don't have this C3, then C3 is also hide. So why you see the rearrange? Because it's when I have this C1, C3 connection, is making that is vertical. But if I don't have that, is by default. If I don't have this one, your 4 class are just in the same row, so it's not rearranged. So that's the reason is I want to have this C3 here to give you our idea is this hide. If you just hide C4, it's not rearrange your model. So maybe let me see. So if I put this C4 linked and C3 different link, so that is the same. but if I put, that is the height. And then let's testing this remove. So let's copy this to 3. So if I do this as a remove, you can see here the diagram is rearranged. The empty position for C3 is now just cleared. So that is the remove compared to the height. But once you make that remove, is whether you can restore. Let me see, restore C4. Not C4, C3 is removed. So you can, no problem, you can use the this restore to restore those. So if I have 2, so if I just have C1, C2 linked, now when I do this unlink height, C3, C4 are both height. Now let's use this show. So let me show C4. So C4 is coming, but the C3 is still here. Again, it's not rearranged. So C3's default location is or position is still here. So they will position the C3 whenever you do this show. So that is the combination use high show versus with the remove and the restore. So I hope it's through these numbers of the videos. So we have now is finished this small group number 4, and you can review back is from this the 3.14 until 3.18. So we test the almost all kinds of the situation about the show and hide, remove, restore the elements and also elements the contents. So try to use that in your real diagramming. That will give you many the very the flexibility to ensure you can do your diagram in the beautiful way. So again, it's doing some IT work. It's not only the technical or scientific. It's sometimes you also need to polish that into some artist viewpoint. So make that beautiful is also a responsibility for you. So then we started, we finish this 3.18. Next video is I put the 19 and the 20 altogether. So we will talk this group 5 as one video, use generics and the specific spot. So 19 is talking generic, 20 is talking specific. It's just some those kind of the new special characters you need to remember. So not too much complexities we are in. So see you in the next group and 319 plus 320. Bye for now.